How will space mining change international law? Imagine a future where mining asteroids and the moon is as common as drilling for oil on Earth. This idea is not just science fiction, it is becoming a reality. Space mining is set to change international law in significant ways. One key document in this discussion is the Outer Space Treaty of 1967. This treaty states that no country can claim sovereignty over celestial bodies. This principle, known as the non-appropriation principle, creates a challenge for space mining activities. Extracting resources from these celestial bodies raises questions about ownership and rights. Recently, the Artemis Accords were introduced by the United States and have been signed by multiple countries. These accords allow for the mining of resources on the Moon, Mars, asteroids, and comets. They reinterpret the Outer Space Treaty by clarifying that extracting resources does not mean claiming ownership of the celestial body itself. This new approach creates a legal framework that supports commercial space mining while respecting the non-appropriation principle. Countries that sign the Artemis Accords have also passed national laws that grant private companies rights to the resources they extract in space. For example, the United States has the Commercial Space Launch Competitiveness Act, which provides legal backing for these ventures. This shift indicates a move toward national regulations for space mining activities. However, not all countries agree with this direction. Nations like Russia and China argue that space mining violates the Outer Space Treaty and call for international regulations through organizations like the United Nations Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space. Another important document is the Moon Agreement of 1979. This agreement prohibits ownership of lunar resources but has not been widely adopted. As a result, the Outer Space Treaty and emerging agreements like the Artemis Accords are the main legal frameworks shaping space mining law today. For astronauts training for missions to the Moon or Mars, these legal changes have real-world implications. They may participate in activities related to in situ resource utilization, which means using local materials for life support, fuel, or construction. The legal frameworks that allow resource extraction provide a solid foundation for mission planning. This ensures astronauts can carry out tasks involving mining or processing materials without legal confusion. Training now includes understanding legal protocols for resource extraction and working with international partners. In summary, space mining is prompting a transformation in international law. It challenges the traditional non-appropriation principle and encourages new treaties and national laws that permit resource extraction. This evolution in law directly affects how astronauts prepare for and conduct missions involving resource utilization beyond Earth.